Welcome back to Cruising with Carla. Today we get the 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible back from the sandblasters. Let's have a look and see what we got.
Whoa. Stop for a second. I just wanted to take some time and thank everyone for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share with your cat, your friend, or the bus driver. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Alright, so we're here at Blasted. Scotty's been kind enough to take care of my baby and give her a good clean look. There's Scotty. Say hi, Scotty. You rock, brother. Let's take a quick peek inside the booth. Oh yeah, she looks good. There we go. She's looking good. I got 6 doors to choose from, so we're gonna choose the best ones.
And Carla's back from the sandblasters. Let's see if she can back this trailer up. Who knows what's gonna happen. Getting a little bit of direction from Dad here.
Hey guys, it's epoxy priming time. So the plan is for me to paint the entire car and undercarriage with this epoxy primer to make sure that it's nicely sealed and it won't rust out.
All right, looks like this car's all painted. What's on there? Epoxy, yeah, epoxy. Gray epoxy. Okay, Carla, what do we got here?
Well, so far, the car actually looks a hell of a lot better than what I had imagined. We're going to take a quick look here at the firewall, and everything on there looks fantastic. No major rust holes to be concerned with. I think it looks pretty decent. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, you know, it's pretty nice. Although I'm just looking around here, and what's that hole up there? Is that for airflow, Carla?
It makes the car go faster, Graham. Jeez, don't you know anything about cars? So as you can see, the windshield frame looks fantastic. There's no major holes, nothing really troubling.
And what do we have here? Looks like the rear driver's side quarter. What do we have to say about that, Carla?
Well, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, you see there's some holes around the wheel well areas, which is very common and typical in these cars. But very easy fix. They have panels that you can purchase for these things, so very easy to fix and replace. And we'll take a look inside here, and again you can see that inner panels will need to be repaired as well. Those ones I will have to make, but overall I think that inner wheel well area looks pretty decent. And again, here on this corner you can see some more holes, but nothing that I can't fix.
And we're back looking at the rear end here. Looks like we have a few more holes, Carla. What are you gonna do about that?
Oh, I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to think about this part. I think you might be able to get panels again back there. If not, I'm gonna have to try and make something myself. It's a little bit of a hole there. I don't know. Somebody must have backed into this thing. But yeah, probably something I'll have to make or order.
We'll have a look inside the trunk here. Start with the passenger side. Definitely some more Swiss cheese. Is that Swiss cheese? I think that's what we call it. But overall, not too bad. Looks quite solid. The center's in great shape. Wow, look at the size of that fill hole for the gas tank. That's massive. Couple more holes there beside the gas tank fill valve. A little bit of light coming through. And again, some more patchwork at the very back there. But overall, quite solid. And I gotta say, great paint job, Carla.
And here we are at the top of the convertible where the boot will be going. And you can see a little hole there. I'll definitely have to patch that up. And one way or another, because it's gotta be nice and smooth. And the back of the seats, the back seats there, they look fantastic. The sheet metal is quite intact. No holes, no Swiss cheese, Graham. So fantastic looking. We'll see here the front seats, the floor. I'm gonna zoom into that right side, the passenger side floor. A little bit of Swiss cheese there, so that will need to be replaced. The toe bore looks fantastic. The transmission area, shell area looks great as well. And over to the driver's side, which definitely has a crap load of Swiss cheese, which is just, oh, it's scary. Oh my God, I'm terrified. And as you can see, the inner and outer rockers are also going to need to be replaced, as these are just disgusting. Ooh, what are we seeing there? This is creeping me out, people. This is not good. This is the underneath of the passenger side. You'll see the body mounts there. They're basically completely gone, so they need to be reinstalled as well. And you can see the inner and the outer rockers also just super crusty, super rusted out. And the driver's side as well, it's even worse. This was kind of expected, so I'm not too surprised. But yeah, it's going to need a ton of sheet metal work. So yeah, it's nasty, guys. Absolutely nasty. What do you think, Graham?
Can't we just cut that hole bigger and use our feet like the Flintstones? Come on.
It could be the Flintstone car.
Here.
And there you have it. We're ready for cutting and welding. That's all, folks.
Stay tuned for more of Cruising with Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.